So the place that I decided to do my documentary project on is the Lexington Opera House. Now, the Lexington Opera House has had a very rich history ever since it's been here in Lexington. It's actually had to been rebuilt once. In 1850, it was originally built and used for the city and held a variety of shows and performances. But then in 1886, it was burnt to the ground. However, in 1887, it was rebuilt, then again used by a performance of a symphony in 1887 in August. Another really interesting thing about the Opera House is its historic architecture. When you actually go inside the Opera House, the classic Gregorian style just blows you away. From everything from the crown molding to the outside exterior, the Opera House is truly a historic and gorgeous building. Now, the whole point of this documentary isn't really just to describe the Opera House itself. It's to show you how theater is affecting people today as a whole. Theater is a very questionable thing that people aren't really sure how they feel about it. But as we go along from every day-to-day walks of life, we're not really sure yet if theater is something that we would like or something that we don't. Theater, to me personally, has been a large part of my life and has transcended to many different performances that I've seen at the Opera House and other venues itself. The Opera House has had such a rich history and has tied people to this town for years.
Let your spirit start to soar. And you'll live as you've never lived.
If I was to go around this town and ask anybody about the Opera House, I bet you 95% of them will be able to tell you what it is about the Opera House. And that is that it ties us all together by some unknown force that I really can't describe. It's left up to you. It's your decision. And
I'm not here to make your decision for you. I just wanted to give you all the opportunity to look at a historic landmark and really decide for yourselves whether or not you think it really does hold something significant to this town.
The darkness of the music of the